Let's go ahead and eject water from your phone. This is not 100% necessary. Your phone is designed to be waterproof. I make videos of my kids jumping into the water. So I have a video of them jumping off a dock, for example, and then I'll go underwater when they go underwater. So I go underwater with the phone and everything works just fine. It's designed to be waterproof. The only problem I've ever encountered is if there's water in this port right here, then charging doesn't work. I get an error saying it's wet and you can't charge. And you don't want to either because water is a good conductor of electricity. You might have zaps in there or sparks or shorts or just something to make the phone break. I've never had it actually happen that the phone breaks, and I've had this phone for a long time. But if you want the water out quickly, there's a couple things you can do. This is the problem area for me when the phone's wet because it won't charge. So I just blow into there. Blow really hard to try to blow the water out. You could have a little fan, an air fan. Don't do heat. Don't do it like a hair dryer because heat can damage things. So just blow in there with your mouth or with a fan, or just leave it. If you don't need the phone charged right away, just leave it, let it dry. Keep it stored vertically so the water just runs out. Gravity helps you with that. Or you can also get one of these water eject apps. I don't know how well they work, but there's a whole bunch of them. You just search water eject in the App Store, and there's a whole bunch. And I chose one of the ones with the best reviews and the highest number of reviews in my country anyway. Gonna not allow notifications. Let's get started. Let's continue. Okay, let's do this. What are you saying? Next time. No, let's go. 3-day free trial. Sweet. Try for $0. I don't want to do that crap. Because they auto charge you if you don't remember to cancel. Yeah, this one doesn't say in-app purchases. All these other ones have in-app purchases, so let's try this one. No in-app purchases. Let's do a classic cleaning. You can hear sound being played. For best results, place phone face down. Turn your volume way up. Supposed to place it like this. Turn the volume way up, and whatever is happening here, I can feel it vibrating quite a bit actually, coming out of the speakers down here. A lot of vibration. And apparently this helps just jiggle water out. But again, your phones are designed to be waterproof. So is it really a big deal? Do you need to eject the water right away? Probably not. They're designed to be underwater. Apple's pretty good at designing things. So if you need it out right away, try one of the methods we talked about. Either blow in there or get a fan or use a water eject app or just wait a little bit. Store your phone vertical so gravity helps the water come out, and then everything should be just fine. If you got value from this video, consider joining the channel as a member. There's some perks associated with that. Click the join button down below to find out more about our channel memberships and their perks. I really appreciate you checking that out. And after you've cleared the water on your phone, it's time to clear the trash bin so you have more space. This video helps you with that. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.